Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how I give a makeover to my second-hand Giselle doll. In my previous doll collection video, I showed you this Giselle doll by Simba. And a lot of you requested to make a video with this Giselle doll, so here it is. I am however using a different doll for this video because I never really loved the Simba face for Giselle. So I went on eBay and found this Mattel Giselle doll. Her hand was chewed up and her hair was pretty messy, but Giselle's face was in really good condition. After trying to fix Giselle's original hair, it was still quite frizzy and pretty thinly rooted, so I decided to cut her hair so I could reroot her. While cutting the hair, I tried this bob on her. Doesn't she look awesome? Maybe this would be a fun look for the Enchanted sequel movie. After playing with that hair a little, I cut it as short as possible, dip the head in warm water to remove it from the body, and scrape the inside of the head to remove the leftover hair. When she was all bald, I discovered Giselle had some tears in the head on both the part and the hairline. To make sure I would be able to reroot her, I took some super glue and just glued the holes, pushing the plastic together when it dried as well as I could. When rerooting, you want to make sure to be really careful and have your super glue on the side in case the tears crack open again. For the actual reroot, I used long saran hair from dollyhair.com in the colors Golden Auburn, Copper Penny, Wildfire Auburn, and Rusty Auburn. I kept a strand of Giselle's original hair to compare the colors, and the blend that I chose was close to a perfect match. As you can see, gluing the head made sure that I was able to root the hair like I normally do. However, I am being more careful using pressure when holding the head. When I was rerooting though, this entire hairline and part cracked open again. I used my super glue again to hold it in place during the process, which made it possible for me to carefully finish the reroot. In terms of long-term solutions, it will also help me that I'm going to glue the hair in place from the inside of the head, because that will make sure the hair strands are stuck together. When the glue is fully dry, I put her back on a body and boil wash the hair to make it lay the way I want it. The body you see in this video is the Merida Disney Store body. After taking some pictures of her on that body, I found a purple top Made To Move Barbie, so that's the body I currently have her on. Then I went and gave her some curls using my curling technique. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on what you see me doing right now, I will link the tutorial in the video description and on the screen right now. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. To see more pictures of my doll restyles, you can follow me on Instagram at TheDollBoy. See you next time!